Hey, hi and hello guys, welcome to our Uipath Impulse channel, and today we are going to see how we can generate a dictionary using LinQ concepts. So let's get started. Before moving on to the coding part, let's see what is an output for our project. Let's hit on run file. So our objective today is to generate the dictionary from the input Excel sheet, and this will be the key and this will be the value. So as we know, the dictionary is said to be a key value pair, right? So we are going to display in the output panel WIID as key and status as a value. Let's see what is an output. Now you can see WIID and status is open. For this WIID, the status is completed. So we can able to generate a dictionary from our data source using a LinQ query concepts. So today, let's see how it can be achieved. So for that, create new sequence. Let's rename this sequence as generating the dictionary using LinQ demo. Hit on create, and today we are going to use an input file as a CSV file. So let's drag and drop the read CSV from the activities panel. Let's choose the file path, and this will be our input Excel sheet. Let's create a data table variable. Hit Ctrl+K, DT, extracted data table. Okay, and now let's use a assign activity. Just drag and drop the assign activity, and now we are going to generate the dictionary. Let's create a variable to store all the dictionary data into this dictionary variable. Let's write the LinQ query to generate the dictionary. So the data source as we are going to take today is dt extracted data table dot as enumerable dot. So today we are going to generate the dictionary, right? So to generate the dictionary, our LinQ query syntax will starts from to dictionary open braces function row dot field of. Okay, now we are writing the format for key. So let's say this is a string, and now we mention the column name. So this column name will be the key for our dictionary. Okay, so that's it. We are done with coding the key part, comma. Now just do the same like how we done in key function row dot field of. So we are just choosing which field has to be a value. So here we have choosing the status field. Just copy this status. Okay, before that we have to do one thing. We need to mention the variable data type. As we know, the key always set to be a string, but value it will be a dynamic nature. It can either be text, string, or integer, or data table variable. So let's say it is an object. Okay, and close the braces. Now we are going to mention the column name. Okay, so that's it. We have completed this, and now you are seeing this exception. This exception is saying that the value of type system.collections.generic.dictionary of string comma object cannot be converted to a string. Now we are going to change the variable data type. Go to the variable panel, go for browse for types, select system dot collections dot generic dot dictionary. And now we need to choose the variable data type for key. As we know, our variable data type will be always string for the key. And let's choose the value. The value here we have done is object. Hit on OK. So once you've done that, you can see our error disappears. Now let's use a for each activity to display the dictionary values. So our generated dictionary data is stored in the dictionary variable, and let's drag and drop the log message activity inside the body of the for each. And it is also important to choose the type argument. Here our type argument will be system.collections.generic.key value pair system.string object. Okay, log level, let's set it to info. Our key will be WID and value will be the status. Okay, plus item. If you press dot, you can see in suggestions it is we are having key dot let's say to upper plus. Now we need to mention the value. So item dot, now you can see values suggesting dot. Let's convert this object into string. Okay, so if you hit on save, before that I'll close this Excel applications. Okay, hit on save and run this file. Let's see how it is generating the dictionary, and let's see the values in the output panel. So now you can see here, right? So we have generated the dictionary. And we have populated over here. So this dictionary data can be used for further operation in real-time projects, in bigger projects. So this can be applied to any data source, whether it can be list or collection, data source, database. We can do it with the LinQ in a very simple way. So it looks simple, right? Okay, hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe, please do comment if you have any doubts upon this video. So we'll meet in next video, next exciting video on LinQ queries. So until then, bye bye, take care, happy automation.